Hello and welcome to the beautiful day in Wicklow. I am down at the place I was at last week. Brought the heavy equipment. So last time all I had with me was just the cultivator, and then also what I had was the sucker tube. Today what I have is sucker tube, cultivator, pitchfork, and of course the shovel. The plan today is just to lash through as much gravel as possible. I've already used the pitchfork to slice up the ground. What I'm doing is just getting shovel loads of material. Nice big rocks there. Shovel loads of material, and I'm going to pop them into the classifier. I'll show you that in just a second. So this is the classifier, half-inch classifier of a bucket. I fill one bucket to the brim of gravel, I throw another bucket on top, and it means the height position, I'm not having to bend down too much. And because I'm using the NV Force loose box, I run everything half-inch. So that's the plan, just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Found that even though I'm working bedrock and even though I have some very nice gold in there, it's very difficult to get any material out of it. I dug behind the boulder, a little patch of gravel on a gravel bar, and I found a little bit of gold, which is great. So then what I did was I got the little pry bar and I moved the boulder over. So the plan now is I'm just digging into this gravel here. I'm slicing it up with the pitchfork and then I'm just digging it. I'll just catch flood gold, but it's easier to work this material, easier to get into it. And there's a lot of gravel here, which is brilliant. So look, that's one full shovel of dirt. So what I'll do is work the material down, and then we'll spin it and bounce it. Spin and bounce. All clean. Nothing exciting there. A few lumps of quartz. No nuggets. Oh well, maybe in the next scoop. This poor pitchfork has seen better days. Nice material. Yeah, that's pretty much half bucket. Excellent stuff. Now what we're going to do is run through the sluice box. So what we're going to do is, everything is all half-inch. Right, see that? A nice half-inch material. We're sitting on top of a clay layer right next to bedrock. I mean, what more could you want? So I'll just start feeding this on through. Still same half bucket. So that's that half bucket done. That didn't take anywhere near as long as I thought. Let's go find more shiny. Right, so we have a nice little development here. I was using the pry bar to move some of the bedrock, see if I could get behind it. I'm going to go sucker tube straight into the bucket. So right into bedrock. Oh, nice. This is where nuggets live. Now, unfortunately, I can't do underwater shots yet. I'm still waiting on a case to arrive. Ooh, I'm definitely going to pan this. Before I run through the sluice box, I'm definitely panning it. So if ever you're looking to do some test panning and you don't know where to set up the pan, very simple. Like on top of the bucket, pan on top of the bucket, classifier on top of the pan, boom, done. So I want to be careful to make sure I can get samples in this exact area. That looks nice. We got the marbling, that's nice. Make sure to get all the smaller rocks out of there. Quick check. No giant nuggets that I can see. That's alright. Look at the dark material. That is very nice. Just going to pan it right here. It'd be good to see where we're at. Like, I got gold the last day, but I worked this general area. It'd be nice to know that I'm on the go. What I'll do is when I'm doing the reveal on the pan, I'll stand behind the camera. Right, that should do. That should be enough. Right, so just have to get the camera set right so we can both see this together. Hopefully it's gold. We're in the right postcode. Oh! 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 Oh, yes, please. That's nice. 2 pieces there. Now that I'm on the gold, I know it's absolutely worthwhile sticking around. Make sure you see that properly. Absolutely worth my while sticking around and just continue working into the bedrock. I'm not going to complain about that. That is absolutely gorgeous. 2 nice sized pieces of gold. Happy days. Let's go find more shiny. So today seems to be National Stuff Break Day. Look, my trowel broke in half. I could try using a bit of metal on its own. Yeah, I suppose that kind of works. So I haven't got an awful lot run today in behind that boulder. I got 1 tiny piece of gold in the first test pan, and then nothing after that. So what I've gone and done, and using the bar as well, I've managed to get the ground sliced up enough that I can actually get at it. But still, the only way to actually run material is with a sucker tube. Obviously, a scoop, plastic ones would be better, but look, this is what I have in the here and now. Right, this is going to be a very quick pan down. It is now 2 minutes past 4. I thought the sun went down at 5. Just check Google. It goes down at 4:30. I'm going to do it in 2 sequences. So I'm going to put the material into the pan now. Actually, you know what? There's not even that much in it. I should be able to get this done in 1 pan. So, here we go. This is from, believe it or not, actually 7 buckets in total. A couple of half buckets, and then towards the end, I used the stacker, the one that was holding up the bucket. Ran everything. 7 buckets in total. Okay. I'm gonna work this stuff right the way down. Right to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanging on back. Same principle that we use with the E-swing pans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round it. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, just washing the front riffle. Leave the other one behind, while alone. Technically speed panning, which you shouldn't be doing with concentrates, but so little time. Some nice heavies in there, nice ironstone, good. Right, that'll do. Just get a bit more water in the pan. Now let's see how we go. See how we've done today from digging through bedrock. 7. Actually, still too much material. Let me just pan it down a bit. 7 buckets in total. Getting into the heavies now. Right, that'll do for now. Bring everything over to the side. Tip the water out. Probably end up having to use the 5 just to see. Okay, lead shot. We're now on the right postcode. It's gold at the top. 1 piece of gold at the top. Left hand side. Another piece of gold there. Hold on. I was hoping for a lot more gold. Hopefully you can see it properly there. I know there's not much light left here. Just take the camera. Hold on a second. I'm just going to put the pan down for a second and take the camera off the mount just so you can see it properly. Probably not enough light to see that. So what I'll do is I'll take the light off the 5, which is the audio recorder. Hope you can see this properly. Look, there's 2 pieces of gold there. We got 2 more in the test pan earlier on. Probably way, there's another one there. Yeah, it's a little bit of gold. Not a whole lot of gold. I was rather hoping for a bit more, but however, look, that's life. Working a section of bedrock. We worked a section of bedrock over there. Worked a section behind this boulder, got the boulder moved. And most of all, get out for a day and got to chillax by the river. and just forget about all that's going on in the world. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, catch the next one, or you can go find more shiny. Bye bye.